So I'm a shopaholic and I'm always ordering stuff online because I like good things. I like good quality things, and I only think that you can get good things when you order it online. Foreign things them, quote unquote. So me ever the online, Forever 21, Amazon Prime, Aeropostale, American Eagle, Banana Republic, everything that you can name. And Moda Express, nice, cheap, clean things them with good quality. One experience stood out in my mind the other day. I used a shipping company. I got an email from them stating that I could have come and collect my package. When I went there, join the long elevator line, go up to the counter, pay for my things, and go downstairs, go collect the stuff, only to be told that my perfume cannot be found. My Rihanna Rogue Love that I bought on Amazon Prime could not be found. So, knowing me, calm, cool and collective, don't make it upset my day. And I said to myself, you know what? Just let me go back on the road and then them will call me and start this up. I don't get a call all now. But I know so them have to go give me back my money. Because I have an email confirming that they told me I could have come and collected my package. Which means that it was in their possession. Push that aside, one of my brethren introduced me to Island Wide Express, and I tried the service recently. And let me tell you, easy, simple, and prompt, no headache, no long line. My package was delivered to my house door. You hear what I say? The people them come to me and deliver my package, drop it off on my foot. I sign feet and them go about them business and them collect them money. So from now on, I will only be using Island Wide Express. You hear what I say? Island Wide Express for the simple and prompt service. You won't regret it, guys. Me say so.